What if I told you that every second, somewhere in the world, a hacker is attempting to break into a system? From social media accounts to financial institutions, our digital lives are constantly under threat. And that's where cybersecurity steps in, the invisible shield protecting information in a connected world. Cybersecurity is more than just installing antivirus software. At its heart, it's the practice of defending systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. These threats come in many forms: phishing emails trying to steal your passwords, ransomware locking entire businesses out of their data, or malicious code designed to spy on your personal information. The challenge is that as technology evolves, so do the attackers. Yesterday's firewalls and simple passwords are no longer enough. Today, cybersecurity requires layered defenses, like encryption, multi-factor authentication, intrusion detection systems, and constant monitoring. Think of it like securing a house. You don't just lock the front door, you add cameras, alarms, and maybe even a guard dog. But cybersecurity isn't only a concern for big corporations. Every person connected to the internet is a potential target. Your personal photos, medical records, and bank details are all valuable to cybercriminals. One weak password or careless click on a suspicious link can open the door to identity theft or financial loss. Organizations face even greater stakes. A single data breach can cost millions of dollars, destroy customer trust, and even cripple entire industries. That's why cybersecurity has become a strategic priority, not just an IT problem. Governments, companies, and individuals all share the responsibility of safeguarding the digital ecosystem. Practical steps make a difference. Creating strong, unique passwords, keeping software up to date, and enabling two-factor authentication are simple yet powerful habits. Businesses can strengthen defenses with employee training, cloud security solutions, and regular system audits. The truth is, cybersecurity is not a one-time fix, it's an ongoing journey. As the digital world expands, so must our awareness and resilience. Protecting information is not just about technology, it's about culture, vigilance, and responsibility. So here's the question: in a world where everything is connected, how ready are you to protect the data that matters most?